Hi, I'm Nick Bolton from Firetrust.com. Today we're showing a VPN speed test we ran using three VPNs. The first two, Mullvad and NordVPN, have both released Windows versions that run the new WireGuard VPN protocol. For those who don't know, WireGuard is the latest VPN protocol which uses more modern encryption than existing VPN protocols like OpenVPN, but is simpler and much faster. We're putting them up against our own VPN, Hideaway, which also uses the same fast modern encryption as WireGuard, but uses other techniques to get the most speed out of your connection. Let's see how they compared. First up, we'll show you the results, because no one wants to wait. Then we'll show you how we tested. Number 3, we'll summarize the results and have a bit of a discussion. Lastly, if you want to, you can watch the tests being run. Actually, let's look at the test setup first, just so you know everything you're seeing in the results. I started these tests in the morning at 8:30 AM when things are reasonably busy. I live in New Zealand and did these tests from there. I'm connected to gigabit fiber and use Windows 10. We are using NordVPN with their WireGuard protocol called NordLynx, Mullvad with their WireGuard implementation, and Hideaway. I used the native speedtest.net client software. I tested routes to Los Angeles, USA, London, UK, and Auckland, New Zealand, and used the same data center for testing. Right, let's look at the test results. We did 3 runs using each VPN while connected to Los Angeles in the USA, London in the UK, and Auckland, New Zealand. We're based in New Zealand, so this gives an idea of speed when you're connecting close to your location. When connected to Los Angeles, NordVPN was reasonably fast, Mullvad was terrible, and Hideaway was 2 to 3 times faster for downloads and uploads than NordVPN. Winner, Hideaway, being at least 2 times faster. Connecting to the UK, Nord was average, Mullvad was terrible again, Hideaway was more than 2 times faster than NordVPN. Winner, Hideaway again. Connecting locally in New Zealand, Hideaway was more than 3 times faster than both Nord and Mullvad. Winner, Hideaway, easy. Interestingly, I've been testing for the last few days at various times of the day and the results are always the same. Hideaway is at least 2 times faster than the other VPNs which use WireGuard. This result was also verified in a more standardized test I ran in the previous video I did. We are against the Windows WireGuard client and the same server. Hideaway was always at least 2 times faster. So here's the conclusion. In these tests, Hideaway was at least 2 times faster and more often 3 times faster than NordVPN and Mullvad. For some reason, Mullvad didn't even come close. Hideaway speeds were just as fast as if there was no VPN used. Just a quick discussion before showing the actual tests running. So all 3 VPNs are using the same modern encryption, but deal with traffic differently. I didn't mention this elsewhere, but Hideaway connects and disconnects instantly, whereas the others take up to 10 seconds to connect. FYI, Hideaway servers are only constrained by bandwidth, so that means it can have many more users on low-spec servers without speeds ever slowing down. I did run more tests in the days prior to this and got similar results. Given these results, it would be well worth your time to download Hideaway from Firetrust.com and give it a speed test to compare. There's no sign-up required, just download, install and run it. Right, let's get into the tests. And we've deliberately run these tests at 2.5 times speed just to get through them a little bit quicker. Otherwise they're quite boring to watch. First up with NordVPN going to LA. And this is a respectable speed first up, so we'll give that another try. There's a little bit of a flash there as I accidentally opened up another window by mistake. 87 download. Pretty slow on the upload though. Last test. A little bit slower than the others, it looks like. But the upload was a bit better this time. Next we have Mulvad, and we've connected to Los Angeles, although for some reason it thinks we're in a different location, so maybe the Los Angeles server is not quite where it's meant to be. Terrible download speeds. Upload speeds are pretty comparable to NordVPN though, so those are alright, but the upload speed has been, I'd be pretty unhappy with that if I was a Mulvad VPN user. Last speed test, and really slow again, but the upload speeds are not too bad. Next we've got Hideaway, going to Los Angeles, and really fast speeds, more than twice what NordVPN had, and upload speeds more than 3 times. And similar again on the second try. And pretty consistent speeds. Last try for Hideaway going to Los Angeles. And there you have it. Next we're going on to our UK test, NordVPN, going to the UK, to London there. 96 download, and 70 odd in the upload. Second test. Now all these servers are just randomly chosen that we're going against, but they're consistent for each of the tests for each product. So last test for NordVPN. Now we're on to Mulvad. We're actually connecting through Manchester rather than London, but still the speeds are pretty woeful for download speeds. Second test. As you can see, we are connecting through the WireGuard protocol, as it says. And one of the other tests for Nord shows that we're using their NordLynx WireGuard implementation as well. So pretty slow again for Mulvad in the downloads. Uploads are okay. First test from Hideaway. Getting some pretty good speeds there. 167. Downloads pretty good too. And again, some healthy download speeds compared to the others. And and last test for Hideaway. A little bit slower this time, but still pretty good compared to the others. Now we're going to do some local tests. We're based in Christchurch, so we, which is in the South Island of New Zealand, and we're going to connect to Auckland, which is in the North Island of New Zealand. So first up is Nord with almost 100 down and up. And download's a bit less this time, upload's a bit faster, but you'd expect, because the distance is quite close, that these speeds should be pretty good. I'm using a gigabit connection, although it is 9 o'clock in the morning. So last test, 80 down, 100 up. Now we've got Mulvad connected to Auckland as well, and we're connecting through the same speedtest.net server. So download is better for Mulvad. Maybe they don't have as many people connecting on their servers. Upload, these are actually end up being pretty similar to Nord's in terms of speed for upload and download when we're connected locally. And last test for Mulvad. A bit slower on the down, but better on the upload. Now, last test for Hideaway, connecting through to Auckland, New Zealand. So, yeah, it ends up being more than twice as fast on the download, and almost 4 times faster on the upload. Downloaded almost 2.5 times again, and almost 4 times faster on the upload. And the final test, showing good consistency, 3 times faster on the download and about 4 times faster, or more than 4 times faster on the upload. And there you have it. So Hideaway is showing that it is much faster than the other VPNs that are based on a WireGuard protocol. Download Hideaway and give it a speed test to compare. There's no sign up required, so you can just download and start using it. Thank you.